This question looks dangerous, but you're going to solve it together, okay? So we have if x plus 1 over x equals 3, what is the value of x cubed plus 1 over x cubed? So here's how we solve it. So since this is equal to 3, if you can cube this, then we're really going to get something like this. Then we will get the corresponding value, right? Good, so that's what we're going to do. So we're going to have x plus 1 over x equal to 3. Then we can cube both sides of the equation, right? So this is going to be x cubed plus 1 over x cubed equal to 27, right? So therefore x cubed equal to 27, right? No, that is wrong. So that is a trap. Most people think when you cube this, you're going to get this, but that is wrong. Let me show you the correct one. So this is kind of like having a plus b cubed, which is equal to a plus b, and then a plus b. So you have a plus b times a plus b times a plus b, which is going to be a long multiplication. But lucky for us, there is an identity. And the identity is that when you have a plus b all cubed, it is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into brackets a plus b. So this is the identity we are going to use. Great. So since x plus 1 over x is just like this, cubing it is going to be x cubed plus 1 over x all cubed plus 3 into brackets x times 1 over x, or into brackets x plus 1 over x. Now if you have this identity, it becomes really, really simple, because let's look at what happens. So therefore, x plus 1 over x all cubed will be equal to, so this cube is the same as x cubed, right? Plus, so this cube is going to be 1 over x cubed, because 1 cube is 1 and x cubed is x cubed. Plus, now x times 1 over x is going to be 1. So we're going to have 3 into brackets x plus 1 over x this way. Now our work becomes really, really simple, because from our question, x plus 1 over x was equal to 3, right? Good. So we are going to substitute 3 in place of x plus 1 over x, x plus 1 over x. So that's going to be 3 cubed equals x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 into bracket. X plus 1 over x cubed is also 3 here, right? Good. So we have 27 equals x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 9. And remember, we were told to find the value of what? X cubed plus 1 over x cubed. So x cubed plus 1x cubed has to stand alone. We have to isolate it. So we can subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. And that is going to be 27 minus 9 equals x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. So meaning this is going to be 18 equal to x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. So therefore, x cubed plus 1 over x cubed equals 18. That is it. I hope it is very simple. So therefore, the answer to our question is 18. Okay? If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to leave a like and follow me for more.